still talk to my friend say this year. So now the daughter they call so she because they don't wait time make her carry her phone number. Phone call. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Good evening, ma.
Do how you dey?
Good evening, ma.
Hello, how you dey?
I'm just fine.
But tell who you be. Tell the whole world who you be. Hello.
Okay. Now me be Joy first daughter. Now me be Joy first daughter. Now me first born before she come out from Nigeria go Germany that side.
I said you write down for your what be your name? What be your own name?
My name na Hope.
Oh, where your daddy? Who be your father? Now the man where born your step now the man where kill her for Germany be your father. Hello.
No.
Your own father, where your own father dey?
No, not with my father.
Okay, wait, may I call you direct? The network no good, may I call her direct? No more, not tell me so I see the address. I go cancel this video now. One not talk like you. Oh, not talk like No, me I don't go see. I don't see it and me go here now for America will foresee. Me I call her direct from. Not when I go Texas, now we will see not before here. We bring joy to people that is crying, not pains to them. Oh, hello.
Ma.
So they ask you, I said that the man will kill your mother for Germany. Now him be your father?
No.
Your own father, where your own father dey?
My father, I lost him when I was 20 years old.
But you tell me say your father dey for data and when I call you this afternoon.
Now that's I lie for that, but me, I not go for the prayer, but they call me, I not go.
Okay, because you know why you no go?
Because he can't me come out for a kid, tell me not be picking.
Okay, you that time for test just now say your mom, you there for 5 months where your mom leave you for your grandmother.
Ma?
I said the test when you sent to me for WhatsApp now. You say you there for 5 years, 5 months old where your mom leave you for your grandmother.
Yes.
Okay, ever since you know before your mom, since when your mother come enter abroad? Which year your mother enter Europe, enter abroad from Libya?
Yeah, I don't really know. I don't really know. I think we did now that time. I think we thought that.
Okay, you small where your mom that leave you for your grandma before because I say your brother where that is the senior boy here. They say it's almost 10 years old, not true?
Yes.
Okay, no matter. Let me give him phone to your uncle. Make he explain to us where. I will talk to you later, yeah? Hello?
Okay.
EJ don't sleep. Your grandma don't sleep.
Hello.
Hello, brother Do.
Yeah.
Hello, brother.
Hello. I'm hearing you.
Good evening, but speak loud that the whole world is watching you. Who you be to Joy, the one where your husband assassinate for Germany?
I'm the brother to your last one.
You be last one of Joy.
Yeah, friend. Yes. Yeah, friend of my 3.1. She's the only girl that you have.
Okay, now let's see. Oh, we know the year where. Okay, now Joy now where the husband kill for Germany. Now let's see. Your mommy get as a girl for the family.
Yes.
Okay, I beg. Since when Joy leave Nigeria? come Europe?
Is that?
I said, which year Joy come out for Nigeria, come Europe?
It has blocked. I can't make the guess of that because it has been lost. When you go there for Germany now, we don't expect for Germany more than 7 to 8 years now. Don't expect for them.
Okay, because me, I said, who can you say Joy enter Libya? From Libya, he come Italy. Because when I say something happen, every different people they give different news. So now 1 year from you, now the man carry Joy from Nigeria to abroad, or how Joy and the man tell no that what did they call the man? Samuel, eh? Samuel who?
Yes.
Onwota Samuel. Okay, I beg. Where Joy and Samuel for no?
Joy?
Eh.
Listen, my sister has already come up for you. So they come meet each other for Libya. Now Libya they come meet each other.
Okay,
For
no.
Libya, two of them they come cross Italy. You hear me, bro?
With the year, I don't want to talk for your matter. With the year, you.
Come from Libya there. Both they come cross. They come cross Italy. Then from Italy now, it got they. So due to the my sister come out for that Italy called Italy journey.
Okay, I beg. You said the first song where you born, not be Germany for born and Italy for born, Abi. The first song, that is the first song where your Joy born for the Samuel. Where you for born now?
Now Germany for born now.
Okay, like Germany for born the now for born the 3 children.
Yes.
But who tell me say born for? They say born the first one for Germany for Italy.
Yeah, 3 children.
We know.
The 3 children are Germany now for born the 3 children. Germany.
Okay, wait.
He born good luck for Germany. He born Chiamaka for Germany. You would the destiny now we don't need to give it to now. Also the same place to Germany.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this man, this Samuel, how was he as a in-law to owner? With the years that they won't call Nigeria can't do marriage.
Yes.
It was a good in-law by then, or on a social fight that they fight. You say?
So, and they tell me always, now I call my sister or phone, I got a land. My sister, listen to me. Say that place where you did so. No, where you did so. So you have to be careful, Sama. You have to be careful.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
I bet.
On that day again, I put $1. Just to that safety is very problem.
I bet waiting. Hello, brother Julius, listen, na small. Waiting Joy talk say they cause quarrel for them. Because man and woman, before they fight, something must they happen now.
Will they cause quarrel for them now? For this one will just happen.
No, the one where they first they beat him. No, the one where first say they beat him, where can't lead to this one.
The man and I spend money now cause quarrel between my sister with her. If you don't know, say my sister and want to spend money come. As I said to her, we with the remaining person we are suffering. With the suffer, we will say suffer, with the suffer.
No, my brother, hold on. My brother, hold on. Hello?
If that money don't give our man, no problem.
Hello, my brother. Hold on, Mr. Julius. No tell me so now they suffer. Since she born for Germany with 3 children. You have to take care of his children first. That is family first. You not be your mama now. You used to be grown up man now. You feel work for yourself. Say leave a daughter for your mother. That's why it's under most you must send money to the mother to look after that after her daughter. Say me call say you they suffer. Me I know they green that one. As far as if you dey healthy, you know they sick. You supposed to work for yourself. Then Joy go take care of her daughter where in Nigeria with her mother. The yes, so. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, they hear me?
I tell you.
So now that is me. That is my own. That is my own thinking. Me, I not believe say person born, he get children, he get husband for abroad. Say the whole family wey sit there Nigeria, as far as say no small pikin again. Me, I know they support that one. Say maybe she wants send money go give her own daughter when she live for Nigeria. They cause quarrel between her and the man. The man is a very, very wicked man by them because he know say she get her daughter before he marry him. Abi she no know. Abi the man be no know.
The man know now. You know say you get the for this guy.
Okay, wetin this last one na wetin come cause the quarrel wey be say e come lead to death so.
The last one, so wetin cause this problem when it leads to this death, so when you got this so.
Abeg you fit tell us.
So he get money when say my sister, they dey pay for that I just that contribution meeting where they pay for that time. So na plan I should pay. The first part before so he got carry the money give the other say you know say we wan go Nigeria for this debate about we wan go do marriage o. Na the man say yes. He say this money I wan give you to make it whether they get two of them they have a joint account. So he got give her the money for the money say okay make you pay the money to their account. Maybe they for not charge the money. Then if they come back to Nigeria, they will now withdraw the money and use it. What they want use it for? Now the bank can collect the money. So my sister, even the two and so wait for the meeting so they don't pass the two. If the man don't pay the money, enter the account. So they got friends, I don't me for this and I don't get.
Abeg which school her daughter dey go and how much she dey pay for school fees?
I don't know they go less academic for school. They are school fees, they are paying 6,000 in school fees a term.
How much?
15,000.
15,000 naira in a term.
Yes.
Okay.
So the girl had carried to her, call his mother. Mom, they sent me out of school because of school fees. Yeah. My sister had told her daughter that she should not worry. Say before Wednesday, we send out the money to her. Then when the other call, I got call the husband. And she like, they not get any money for her. He can't tell your husband, say, I beg. That money, when I give you to, when I give you for that account, say, I say this. Make you give her 30,000 naira away for the money. Make his record give her just and make you pay the school fees. Make them use the other one. Now the man want to, he say, which kind of talk with that, whether she get, whether she not get a parent, not get papa, so now you go meet the person, not get, but the way I want to my sister, even if they say, my sister, cry for today to next year, say, no money, say, when you give her. And I say, the money, now me, I get the money, but you want the money to do, so I know that it's very important too. But give me the money, make I say, go give the get. They want to my friend now get money, say that they use the money to invest for Nigeria. Say that they use the money to invest for Nigeria because of the children, to not completely out to who are they? Just they talk, I think I'm not doing that, I just deliver. For then, when my sister go drop children for school for Germany, that's come back to us. I don't know that dead woman too that call himself her husband too. Carrying knife. Shoot my sister, cut off his neck. So dead. Put up a heavy sorrow, heavy pain. The only person who will just get for her own say yes, that is what I will get for someone to the proud. Yes, this is my sister. Although she's not saying anything to us. No, but as far as she's alive, when I say I will be happy. But now, nothing. The only person that I have in my family is God.
No, what? I bet Injustice, she still there awake. Your mommy don't sleep.
No, she never sleep.
I bet give her a phone, make we greet her.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Mommy. Hello, Miguoma. Miguo. Now let me go here. Oh. No. Mommy, take her easy, abeg. I know say we no get any sorry wey go talk, tell you wey go bring back your pikin. But make you remember that your pikin she no die in vain. The whole world will go stand by God go stand by us and will make those children no go just lost for government hand. You hear, mommy, abeg, take heart. I know. Now that's what be prayer for mothers. Make mother die, make pikin bury am. We know, ma. But there's always a reason. Just make we not ask God why death or why it takes this person instead of the mother. I beg, mama, you will still take heart. Eh? Who they laugh so? Manuel, now let me block you. Where did they cause laugh there? Hello, mama. Mommy, take her easy, I beg, eh? I will call you tomorrow. Let me give her to brother Julius. Mommy, hello, mommy. Hello. And mommy, for school fees of Hope, no worry. We, our foundation, one of our sister, Orobo sister, is saying go pay school fees for Hope till university. You hear? Make we know what about how Hope go take go school. Forget that one for us. You see, and now say your daughter Joy no die in vain. If to say this thing, no, we not be saying and waiting they pray, but there are many people where something could happen to that they don't see solution. But just say a solution take good now. A solution take come now for Hope. If God make everything possible, the sister say go see can and go America. You hear? So make you know about the say Hope that Joy die leave pikin for you. Say you don't know how to take off her daughter when you start to train. By the time we there for 5 months. Forget about that stuff for that one. God don't send help her come to do that one. You hear? Now the ones who are there for Germany, now those ones will come to think I will take locate them. No, they're not lost. By God's grace, they're not lost. God not going to let them lost. Emma. No, take her easy, man. Give her to brother Julius. Hello, brother Julius.
I'm hearing you.
The phone number where you sent to me of the guy where you said where you they do uncle for Germany. I called the number today. The man no carry. He just write me this evening say if they come from work now. So I never talked to her. So I don't get any information to give you as me without talk. I will try make I work with them. I will take collect those children from government, make it no go lost, make government no carry those children. Eh? Okay. I'll call her tomorrow. Give a phone to Hope. Hello, Hope. I see your text message just now say you say make we help you. You know now you take go school. No worry, I don't see one our big sister. She's from Delta too. She be Orobo. She there for America. I talked to her this evening. She said she go pay your school fees till you enter university. If you finish for university, if God wants and you behave well, you remember. Now the way when you take behave for school, you go to school, you do everything, now we'll take follow you. If you just see mess up, we go cut you off. You know that. If you finish school well with the as we take it down, she'll invite you to go America, you go continue your school there. So the one where we say make you call the class say, your mother died, now will come pay your school fees. Your mother died because of 30,000 naira. Made the way she want to pay your school fees now. I won't start from there. No. Your mother sends somebody. The spirit is working. Now let's make una call me. Now your mother spirit make una call me say there's a solution for you. You dey hear so? So make you not cry for your school fees. God don't take care of that one. You hear?
Okay.
Okay now. So take care. I'll call you tomorrow, eh? Bye-bye.
Bye.
My people, una hear now? The waiting my caller can't talk that day. And what about the cause of that lady? I got the man. Me I called the German man where the brother give me the phone number today. Okay, you don't send me a message.
Good evening. I'm just.
Oh, me I come out for speaker. I don't know what you talk before now go come here.
Good evening. I'm just coming out of the meeting. I don't have anything to tell you for now, but.
Okay, no. There's no need. Now about the joy. Now about the joy case. Make I play. I'm not gonna hear them. That is the man where joy take do uncle for Germany. When I listen, no.
Good evening. I'm just coming out of the meeting. I don't have anything to tell you for now, but I understand I'm the one that is concerned about the whole thing. I don't have any detail to give you right away, but anything I will let you know. You just call me tomorrow, so we'll talk. I know what type of details you need.
My people, you see, wisdom. We are talking of wisdom where God gives to person. Not be to come out to crowds and talk nonsense. As the other one saying no person way talking away. When I hear that from the brother now the joint money where they join together for account. Not be waiting that my district caller talk on Saturday. Not be the brother still confirm so. Eh? Not be the brother confirm. So what is the difference? And the people that said they know one, they did not even know now how to arrange the dead body or the property, nothing. This daughter and nobody be don't call the mother now, call the daughter or call the brother, say, may we give them hope, so okay, make una no worry. No, now just to spoil. Wecha, una spoil una self, una see am now. Now so I go bribe that person, may come talk. Bribe for waiting. So when I want what they talk for social media, which I'm not after that. I have to continue to say thank you. Sorry. Somebody that give my number to that daughter of Joy to call me. All they are saying is child benefit. Some people say where Joy for see the money she's not working. Say that the money now children benefit now she still do the contribution, but not be say because say you don't give her the children benefit now kill them. No, now the money when they don't. I hear that from the brother and I don't want to go inside that side again. So the person that give my number to Joy daughter, thank you for believing in me. That said that go and meet this Mama Gladys. She will solve the problem. Really? Go solve it, not me. Go solve it, not me. With this girl now having scholarship from our beautiful sister, medical doctor from US, I know hope is all her life is guaranteed. Guaranteed. Okay? So to God be the glory. I think if Joy now, she dey wash us. She go dey cry tears of joy for the baby where God make us now. That is the baby where live at the age of 5 months. At 5 months old, live her for a mother. And she was the only girl where the family get. So we feel see give how they want to retrieve the money where the Nigeria account. How much be that? Stop asking of all those irrelevant questions now. How much be 2,000 euro? I be 3,000 euro. We are talking of way forward. We are still talking about money with the account. And I would say the man say that devil enter the man, or and that devil enter the man. To as the brother says, they beat him all the time. When I hear what the man say want to do, I say he want take the money to build house for his own children. is already assassinated. It's already a murderer. But the man was planning for the future of his own children. Believe me, there is no way a man can love you. It takes by his grace that you go see my way go love you, way go love people when you felt born. Now the yes, so it takes the grace of God for the man. You don't forget picking before you know this man. Say the man go love you the way he love your children. This man was said the money taken the builders for your children when he born. So that of your daughter, you have to think of it yourself. When I hear so if you don't forget picking before you marry, you not see the video when German first lady still do that day. That the man when he catalyzed his step daughter, 12 years old. From there they turn from back, scatter everything. When I hear the video, so please. Let all these people they come and they talk every day. I know say the one and 1 year, and the one they for the cost on our head, they bring una down now and 1 year. Make una learn from this thing. If you don't forget picking, you go marry another man, and the man won't start to make you know say that picking don't too much get interest. You go fit to say love your picking, but you see say in the fight for the one way intake in your penis born. If you want to make that marriage continue the way it's supposed to be, you go to solve the plan for that your daughter or your son when you first born in another way. Then you, the man, are going to still build to a home. Because that pikin will still born for the man, and you still born her as the man still born those children. This man is already a murderer, but what he was planning to use that money for was not a bad thing. Was not a bad thing. It's a sort about his own children future house. Another year, so please. Thank you, amen, my sister Kende. No. Other people, I can never give you what you want to hear. I will give you what you're supposed to hear, not what you want to hear. When I think you come and now, the man is a murderer. He's already an assassin. But the whole motive was not too wrong. Why your motive too was not too wrong too? Because she have that daughter at the end. I don't know how old she is now. We leave that daughter for Nigeria. How much is the school fees? 30,000 naira. If you say she know about it, she prefer keep the money, come on that school fees before she go give am. If you don't say that man they complain all the time, say in the pay school fees. No, I don't believe saying that school fees. If the man don't get the heart to them marry and with that pikin. Now money. You know say when me I never felt born for Nigeria where I come out to. Many mothers they take and destroy children life for abroad. Say, oh, no see your mother cook people who live for Nigeria. No, they will throw that pikin. They disturb that woman. They disturb that man. People who live for us, you don't go to school. Now every day they pay school fees. Mommy, I'm not talking to you. No, I'm talking generally now. It is real. Some aunties, some sisters for Nigeria, some mothers, because of one pikin or two pikin where some their children live for their pikin live for Nigeria before they come abroad, they go take and destroy that pikin life for abroad. So you go even give them money when they take pay your pikin school fees. They go use that money to pay their own pikin school fees. Now they hear so it is real. All of us, we know where from the corner. We know what we are talking about. So the way forward now is how we go join this uncle now. Those children, may come in, you don't hear the grandmother, and that's the mother of just say, you never see those children for her. Even though say nobody go feel, I see my Ghana's mama, Balogun. Please, I will call you tomorrow. Please, be anybody that live in Germany, if you people can comment before they go adopt those children to the white, if na one of you adopt, I beg. If na one of you do joint adoption, At least if one family come and say, Nigeria family come and say, he want to adopt this pikin, others go and join them, maybe, I beg. So that this our children not go too much food their hand. Like, yes, so. This is where most of our single mothers are getting things wrong. It is difficult for many men to accept stepdaughters as their child. Kakabo! Understand me now, please. Anytime Sakotana. If anybody want to call, I may wanna call. Okay, me I carry. Hello. Hello.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. I'm on live video.
I know.
Okay. You want to contribute?
Yeah. I listen to what you did.
Okay.
So happy for that, okay? So
Okay.
you go send me any article to have pay for 110 for them, okay?
Okay, that is this auntie don already say she go handle the scholarship. So I think if you want to do, because if you say you want to donate for the age mother or for support for the school fees, the Auntie of America, she will take off that one. If you want to, maybe also you want to donate for the age mother, give them something for account. Not before the brother, because that Julius is big enough to take off her mother too. But if you need their account, I will tell them to. I will tell Hope to tell the grandmother we need a grandmother account. If anybody want to donate, that's why we not come out to say may they donate, because na scholarship now we won't give the pikin. But if anybody is willing to give to the age woman, as soon as her stories she dey cry now, there's nothing bad on it. I will still bring her account out.
That cry, I shock me, you know, understand?
You say?
No, I said that cry, I shock me. That cry.
Okay, now I'll tell them when they bring account. Anybody who want to donate there, they go do them. Eh?
All right.
Okay, thank you, brother.
So
I appreciate it. Okay, sir.
Bye.
Okay, bye. So, my people, una hear so, I be no make we donate for them. Okay, but she need to eat, mama. Wait, this donation of 18. No, I know say she need to eat. When we say when Auntie Jada say she go pay for the scholarship, we all as a foundation we go see the monitor her now. She dey go school this day, but when I say don't be say they even they carry that money, they go Nigeria all the time. You understand me? Why I no want call on donation? Many people no call it all say donation. Already no. Now we say people matter. My own wisdom is different from them, because this when I say they donate, how much they go receive. If it's too much, no only gonna know how much people will donate. If you say I come out with donation now, they just donate tomorrow. Nobody talk about them again. The money go finish. But I think the best way is to give the daughter scholarship, of which we thank God say the daughter, our auntie dead and away don't take her, say she go take off. No, I know, forget about people, I know, but you have to, when you are talking, you have to round everything together, make people understand very well, because no say that many people, they are so foolish of where they cannot reach. Wetin their brain no carry them reach, think reach. You bring her, the thing go shortcutize. They say, I be not take and go there and it don't late. For the total say, oh, she said the real fact. They can't go the talk nonsense around. I know say get wetin to do. So as soon as I ask for their account, so I go tell them. I go tell them tomorrow. Make them bring the job account. Okay. Make I just write this brother name. Before, Mama, you don't better pass them. I know now. I know. Yeah, I quickly start this thing. That is my chocolate mama. And I praise go there. Now you go there for long. No go come out for now. Make I call this one when they call. Okay. So that is it. So we thank God for giving them hope. Mostly the daughter will be don't cry. Don't the thing say how you go to survive this one. Mama day life hard. I must say no day again. She be right now say make we help and tell German government say she be her daughter. Well, the uncle, that is what we are going to work with the uncle. May they still tell the German people say her daughter is in Nigeria. If they say they want to help her to Germany, there's no problem. We sister, our American sister go still do am. Germany, America, all are the same now. She can use the money for small business. Okay, it's good. The man is eating strong bread inside here by now. The man is eating strong bread inside here by now. So as I was saying, that's all I talk about this evening. Who like to hear me hear? I don't want to make you hear them. It's still good to me. I don't go say because say make you like me or like my talk. Make I come here come they talk say this that. No. I must surely say the truth. It's the truth that is making me going where I am today, directing me. Anything I talk, people must say okay. See, and I know me. I know as of donation of the woman, but everybody want to donate because they hear from the mother how devastated she is. I have to keep my tears in. Depend on the issue on ground because they don't have the heart that I have, so I'm not them. So thank God, thank you all. This evening, Mama, not be your account. You bring men and talk now, then get their mouth. I know. Why going to school, Mama? Okay, she need to eat while going to school. That will not be problem. God will bring the money to pay the school fees. Go see, bring her the money to where we will still take help her. God go take control of that one. My sister, she's still young. If she starts seeing money, she go forget school. Okay. You see why I don't want to go that side because of we know we go handle them. She's part of our